Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing so well. I'm really sorry that this is so incredibly late. We are halfway through October now. I can't believe it. I just lost track of how fast time is going. We're going to be doing my September favourites. I'm going to talk about all the things that I loved in September. I actually have quite a lot of favourites this month, which is new. Recently I've not had any favourites because I've not been wearing makeup and I've not been doing anything. Yeah, no, this month I liked some things, so that's exciting. And as always, we're going to talk about Project 10 Pan. Project freaking 10 Pan. Let's go on with some favourites. The first one is going to be no surprise because I have spoken about this on my channel already, but it has been my absolute favourite foundation this month. So if you watch the weekly vlogs, you'll notice that I probably only wear makeup when I'm filming or if I'm going out somewhere, which obviously given the times, I'm not going out loads. So I haven't been wearing makeup often, but when I do wear makeup, I have been wearing the CIATE London Extraordinary Foundation Radiant Buildable Coverage Foundation. So I got sent this very kindly, and when it arrived, I assumed it was going to be really light, like a tinted moisturizer, and really kind of glowy, which is my cup of tea. In the past year or so, I've definitely cut back the amount of makeup I wear. So that sounded like really up my street. I was like, great, a nice like wearable foundation. When I tried it, I did one pump. Oh my God, the coverage in this is unbelievable. I would say it's like a really high, medium to full coverage foundation. It's buildable to like full coverage, but it has that lovely like glowy finish to it. It is the foundation that I'm wearing today, and I think personally my skin looks really nice. It looks super like smooth and covered, but it doesn't look really heavy. Somehow it manages to be full coverage but still look like skin, which is what I personally desire in a full coverage foundation. So yeah, really impressed. I wear the shade 116Y Sand. It is cruelty free, not crazy expensive, and yeah, I really like this foundation. It just applies so nicely. I actually have two products from Charlotte Tilbury. So they've recently launched the extension of the Pillow Talk range. So they have like eyeshadows, blushes, and obviously the iconic Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip pencil and lipstick. So they've recently extended the shade range to cater for darker skin tones, which is amazing. I actually have the lipstick here, which I haven't tried yet. What I have tried is the lip pencil. So I love Pillow Talk so much. It's one of my favorite lip liners, but I do often find that as soon as I wear fake tan, it's too light for me to give me that kind of definition that I like in a lip liner. I like my lip liner to be darker than my lipstick, just a tiny little bit. And I was finding that wearing the Pillow Talk liner with the lipstick, it just didn't give me the look that I wanted. So I have been using the lip cheat in Pillow Talk 2 medium with the original Pillow Talk lipstick, and it is a combination. It is a combination. Your lips are so defined but pouty. The formulation of these lip liners, I just can't even describe it. When they're called Pillow Talk, it's like the perfect word to describe it because it makes your lips look so soft and pillowy and smooth and just amazing. I just love these pencils. So yeah, I'm so happy that they have extended the line, and I love this shade. Also from Miss Charlotte Tilbury, they have launched the push-up mascara. Is it the Pillow Talk? Yeah, the Pillow Talk push-up lashes mascara. And for a start, look at this packaging. Like, I am sorry, that is just, it's just gorgeous. Like, that is the most luxe looking mascara I've ever seen in my life. Stunning, yes, I love this. And I love the mascara. I'm wearing it today. Give you a little look at the lashes. This is on my lashes today. This is one coat. It is like the quickest buildable mascara ever. It's quite thick. The wand is really interesting. It's like flat like that, which I like because the longer side, I literally just push it on and it applies so much product, and then you just turn the brush and use the bristles to comb it through, and it makes your lashes volumized and thick, and it lasts all day. It really holds a curl. Like, my lashes are really straight, and this keeps them looking curly. It's so dark. It's just such a good mascara. It's been added to my leaderboard of all-time favorite mascaras. Really good. Pricey, as is all Charlotte Tilbury products. Obviously, partially you are paying for the packaging, but the product itself is worth the hype. It's really, really good. And then we have another new release. We are just really on top of the times right now. The Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in the shade Honey. So I was invited to the Zoom launch event for this product, so they sent it to me for that, and I tried it out a couple of days before the event. The original Laura Mercier translucent is such a cult classic because it is probably one of the best translucent setting powders on the market. It is really smoothing and light, and your skin just looks airbrushed. It's honestly stunning. But of course, translucent only goes so far. I think the term translucent gets thrown around a lot when things aren't actually translucent. For me, translucent should mean universal. So like the no color setting powder, that is translucent. The Laura Mercier is not translucent. It definitely leaves a cast. Like 2 years ago, they launched the deeper shade and everyone loved that, and now they've launched Honey, which is like the medium shade. And I love this because it's the perfect combination of like peach and yellow. It warms up your skin as well as kind of color corrects any darkness that you may have with the peachiness. So it's perfect for under your eyes to get rid of any sallowness, around your mouth to brighten that area. And I really like it a lot. I find it very flattering. I like to mix it with the original as well if I want like a really bright under eye. A little bit obsessed. I really like it, and I recommend trying it if you haven't yet. On to a couple of skincare things I've been loving. So at this time of year, there is one product that I always get out that I love so much. Peter Thomas Roth Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. You will have heard me rave about this product so many times on my channel, but it's such a good product. It's a exfoliating face mask which smells like how I think pumpkin spice lattes should taste. I think pumpkin spice lattes are kind of disgusting. I'm not gonna lie to you, but this is what they should taste. I want to eat this. I wish, I wish I could eat it. It's so delicious. Oh, if you haven't smelt this yet, you need to go and smell it. It's reason enough to buy it. It's just so you can smell it all day. This is incredible if you have scarring or dry skin or dullness, uneven skin tone. You apply it all over your face and then you wet your fingers and massage it for a couple of minutes, and then you leave it on for 7 minutes and let it do its thing, and it kind of tingles because it is quite an aggressive exfoliant. And then you wash it off. My face goes a little bit pink because it is quite abrasive, so I wouldn't recommend using this more than once a week. It is quite strong, but I really find it helps brighten my skin. It looks so soft, feels amazing, and I also think it helps massively with my pores and my blackheads. Gets rid of all the crap, and it smells like a pumpkin spice latte. Around this time of year when things get colder, my skin gets drier, and also it smells festive. And also because of Project 10 Pan, I'm not allowed to buy anymore when I run out of this. This is my 3rd tub. I'm not allowed to buy it again when it runs out until I've used my products up. So I'm like not letting myself use it. But now it's this time of year, it's back out. Another product that is new to me is the Boscia Revitalizing Black Hydration Gel. I've had this in my collection for quite some time and I never really got around to trying it. And I found it in a box the other day and was like, I want to try some new skincare because I have been in a bit of a skincare rut. There are kind of a circulation of products that I tend to use, and I do love to try new skincare. I was intrigued and I love how this makes my skin look. It's like rare that you'll find a product that looks really good immediately after you apply it. So like another example would be the Too Faced Pillow Cream? Their night cream. It's slightly iridescent, so when you put it on, your skin just looks immediately bright and illuminated and gorgeous. This is kind of similar. It's got little, it looks like sparkles in it, but it says a cooling gel moisturizer that provides ultralight hydration as it refines skin texture, brightens skin clarity, and minimizes the look of pores instantly as well as over time. And it does make your skin look so even and blurred. I don't know how they do it, but your skin looks so bright and glowy the second you put it on. And it does feel cooling. Once you like wash your face with warm water and then put this on, it's like it, well, actually no, I guess that makes sense. It closes your pores because the heat opens your pores and then the cooling sensation closes them again. So that's probably why your pores look smaller. Crack the code. It looks really nice, it feels really nice, and it's really gentle. You can use it morning and evening. And yeah, I've really been liking it. I've started to get through quite a bit of it now, and I recommend. Okay, final physical thing I can talk about is a candle, which is not festive at all. I have just dug out all of my autumnal and Christmas candles, so they are going to be put around the house very, very soon. So I thought I would give this one an honourable mention before I put it in the cupboard ready for spring, because I do like to have seasonal candles, and this is a perfect spring summer candle. Not just because it smells amazing, but also because of the colour. It's like such a spring colour. This is from Yankee Candles, and it is white chocolate and pistachio ice cream scented. I mean, need I say more? It smells incredible. I got it from TK Maxx and it was $6.99. Honestly, this smells so good. I really, really wish I bought another one. I hope next time I go to TK Maxx they still have some in stock. If you guys don't, go buy them all. It smells incredible, like so sweet, but not too sweet. It's got that slight nuttiness to it that kind of stops it from getting sickly sweet. And then it's got like the creaminess from the ice cream, and it is just incredible. Oh, it smells so good, and I can't wait to put this out in the summer. Just this lovely like pistachio green candle. Oh my god, I am obsessed. If you can find it, definitely pick one up. It's a good one. It's a good one. Okay, so those are all of my beauty favorites. Quite a few beauty favorites for me this month. On to lifestyle favorites. So let me think. What have I've been watching? So at the beginning of the month, we watched Criminal, which we really, really liked. It's on Netflix. It's 2 seasons. And it's basically all set in the interrogation room in a police station. And it's super, super interesting. They are all individual episodes when it comes to the crime, but the kind of through flowing plot is more about the detectives and their kind of interpersonal relationships. The crimes are just kind of there as like plot points per episode, if you know what I mean. And the first one has David Tennant in it, which means it's always going to be amazing because I love David Tennant and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, if you've not watched Criminal, I highly recommend it. Really, really good. Bake Off, obviously. Bake Off's on tonight. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The Great British Bake Off is like the best thing ever. Noel Fielding is one of my favourite people to exist. I've loved Noel Fielding for like 10 years. Me and my sister, we used to watch the Big Fat Quiz of the Year every year, and if Noel Fielding is on it, you know it's going to be a good year. Baking, Noel Fielding, it's just amazing. It makes me feel cozy. I get stressed. I actually get like, I'm so invested in it. And I was wondering if you guys would want me to maybe do a video where I try and recreate like one week's like winning bake. I thought that could be quite fun. I said it to Tim like on the first episode, like I'd love to like recreate one of their recipes, like the winning bake of the week, just for a video and see how I do. So if you'd like to see that, let me know. We're watching Umbrella Academy, the new season, and we're enjoying it so far. It's pretty good. We did love season 1. I think the best thing about it is the soundtrack though, to be honest. The soundtrack is really good. So if you've not watched Umbrella Academy, you should. Life on Our Planet, David Attenborough. Tim and I went and saw that at the cinema and it was heartbreaking but incredible. David Attenborough is literally friggin', I don't even know, otherworldly. Okay, on to Project 10, Bahan. So you guys won't be surprised for me to tell you that I've not used up any more products, right? Of course not. But I'm definitely doing well, I think. Like, I'm just taking it one day at a time at this point. I don't know how long Project 10 Pan is gonna go on for, but I mean, I'm really trying here. The Smashbox Primerizer, I am over halfway through with this now. So this is definitely gonna be done by the end of the year. As well as the Chanel bronzer, we are really close, end of the year. As well as this MAC powder. I think next month this will be gone. Have you ever seen anyone so close to finishing a Hoola bronzer? Because I don't think I have. On the eyeshadow palette, we have nearly hit pan on this bad boy here, as well as this bad boy. I think we're probably like 3 uses away from pan for each of these, which is good. Very good progress. This one, give me like I think the eyeshadow palette, I will have maybe hit my goal by Christmas. That's my goal. Becca Opal, I'm wearing it today. It's so pigmented, you barely need any. It's taking so long. These two are nearly gone, which is great. This blush it's gonna take some time. It's really gonna take some time. All in all, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. My goal was to try and do it in a year. That's not gonna happen. It's definitely gonna take me longer than a year. But to be honest, it's quite interesting. Like, I don't feel ever the craving to buy makeup or even go on. I used to like browse Cult Beauty and Beauty Bay for like hours and just look at the makeup. It's been really nice. Like, the only thing I miss are a few of my like favorite products which have run out that I can't repurchase. But all in all, like, I really am enjoying not buying makeup. It's saving me money and I don't need it. It's making me get through what I already have, which is the whole point, and I'm really enjoying it. So yeah, those are my Project 10 Pan updates for the month and my favorite products for September. You'll be getting one of these quite soon for October. I'm so sorry. I hate posting these late because it kind of pushes back. Next month's a bit late as well, but I'll try and, you know, give us a little while so you don't have 2 of these back to back. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope you are looking forward to loads of videos this week and have enjoyed the ones I've posted so far. If you missed Monday's video, I definitely recommend you go watch it because it's going to explain some upcoming content that is upcoming. Have the best day, guys. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you, and I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.